Mastering presentations for the C1 Business Higher exam. Hello, future business professionals. Today, we're diving deep into one of the essential skills for the Cambridge English Business C1 Higher, BEC Higher exam, giving presentations. Whether you're taking the exam soon or just want to hone your business English skills, this video will be your guide. Let's get started. When you're giving a business presentation, it's crucial to know why you're presenting. Presentations in a business context can serve several purposes. Inform, sharing information or data with colleagues. Persuade, convincing others to take a particular action. Motivate, inspiring team members to achieve goals. Train, teaching new skills or processes to others. Understanding the purpose will help structure your content and guide your delivery. A well-structured presentation ensures your message is clear and easy to follow. Here's a basic structure that you can adapt. 1. Introduction. Begin by introducing yourself and the topic. State the purpose of the presentation. 2. Agenda. Briefly outline what you will cover. This gives your audience a roadmap. 3. Main content. This is the heart of your presentation. Divide your content into 2 to 4 main points. 4. Summary. Recap the key points you discussed. 5. Q&A. Allow time for questions and answers. This engages the audience and clears up any confusion. Your content may be great, but how you deliver it is equally important. Here are some tips. Maintain eye contact. Engage with your audience. It builds trust. Use visual aids. Slides or charts can help emphasize and illustrate your points. Practice. Know your content. Rehearse to feel more confident. Vary your tone. A monotone voice can be dull. Vary your pitch and speed to keep the audience's attention. Body language. Stand tall. Use open gestures, and avoid distracting habits. During or after the presentation, you'll likely face questions. Here's how to handle them. Listen fully. Before answering, ensure you've understood the question. Stay calm. If you don't know the answer, it's okay. Admit it, and offer to find out. Clarify. If a question is unclear, ask the person to explain or rephrase. Thank the questioner. This encourages more audience interaction. Even seasoned presenters can make mistakes. Here are some common ones to watch out for. Overloading slides. Less is more. Keep slides simple and uncluttered. Speaking too fast. Nervousness can speed up our speech. Practice helps. Ignoring the audience. Engage with your audience. Address their needs and concerns. Not preparing. Always be well prepared. Familiarize yourself with the content and any tech tools you'll use. Presentations are a powerful tool in the business world. And with these strategies and tips, you're well on your way to acing that section of the BEC Higher exam. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, the key to a successful presentation lies in preparation and genuine engagement. We hope this video has been enlightening. Good luck, and happy presenting!